Hey there, gardeners of all ages! Today, let's dig into 5 powerful things every adult should be teaching kids about gardening. What to teach, why it matters, when to introduce it, and how to make it stick. Let's start with number 1. Soil is alive. What kids need to know is that soil isn't just dirt. It's a living, breathing ecosystem full of microbes, fungi, and insects. Why this matters is because healthy soil is the foundation of every strong garden. Without it, plants struggle. When should you introduce this? As soon as kids can dig in the dirt, let them explore with their hands. How to teach it? Get a handful of compost, show them worms and bugs, and explain that these little creatures are nature's workers. Build a worm bin or compost pile together. It's a hands-on way to make soil education real. Number 2. Seeds are magic, but not by accident. What they need to understand is that each seed contains the blueprint for life, but only under the right conditions. Why? Because it teaches patience, planning, and care. A seed can't grow without soil, water, sunlight, and time. When to teach this? Spring is the perfect season to start, but even windowsill gardens work year-round. How? Let them plant different types of seeds, fast sprouters like radishes, and slower ones like tomatoes. Track the growth, compare leaf shapes, and talk about what each plant needs to thrive. Number 3. Water is life, but too much can kill. What to teach them here is balance. Plants need water, but they also need oxygen in the soil. Why? It builds a sense of responsibility. Overwatering and underwatering both harm plants. This is a great way to teach kids observation and moderation. When to bring this in? Once the seedlings are up. That's when watering becomes a daily habit. How to do it? Give them a small watering can, show them how to check the soil with their finger, and teach them to water slowly, at the base, not the leaves. Let them keep a watering chart. Number 4. Not all bugs are bad. What they should know is that insects play roles, some help, some harm. Why? Because it builds respect for biodiversity and teaches natural pest control instead of reaching for chemicals. When to teach this? As soon as bugs show up, aphids, ladybugs, caterpillars, and spiders all make great learning examples. How? Set up a bug observation station. Use magnifying glasses, draw what they see, and talk about which bugs are garden helpers like bees and ladybugs and which ones cause damage. Make it fun and curious, not scary. And finally, number 5, you can eat what you grow, and it tastes better. What to teach is that gardening has a reward, food that's fresh, real, and nutritious. Why? It encourages healthy eating and gives kids pride and ownership over their food. When? As soon as the first edible crop is ready, whether it's lettuce, a cherry tomato, or a sugar snap pea. How to teach it? Pick it, wash it, taste it right there in the garden. Better yet, cook together with what you grew. Make salsa with your tomatoes, pesto with your basil, or a smoothie with your strawberries. Let them lead. So there you have it. 5 garden lessons that go beyond the garden bed. Soil is alive, seeds are magic, water must be balanced, bugs can be buddies, and food you grow tastes amazing. Teach these early, repeat them often, and you're not just growing plants, you're growing future stewards of the earth. Happy growing, and remember, the garden is the best classroom in the world.